The most courageous act is still to think for yourself, aloud. A girl should be two things, classy and fabulous. A girl should be two things, who and what she wants. Don't spend time beating on a wall, hoping to transform it into a door. Dress shabbily and they remember the dress. Dress impeccably and they remember the woman. In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. You live but once, you might as well be amusing. Success is most often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. Simplicity is the keynote of all true elegance. I don't care what you think about me. I don't think about you at all. Fashion changes, but style endures. If you were born without wings, do nothing to prevent them from growing. My life didn't please me, so I created my life. A woman who doesn't wear perfume has no future. Fashion is not something that exists in dresses only. Fashion is in the sky, in the street. Fashion has to do with ideas, the way we live, what is happening. Where should one use perfume? A young woman asked. Wherever one wants to be kissed. There is no time for cut and dried monotony. There is time for work, and time for love. That leaves no other time. I don't do fashion, I am fashion. As long as you know men are like children, you know everything. I don't understand how a woman can leave the house without fixing herself up a little, if only out of politeness. And then, you never know, maybe that's the day she has a date with destiny. And it's best to be as pretty as possible for destiny. Women think of all colors except the absence of color. I have said that black has it all. White too. Their beauty is absolute. It is the perfect harmony. You can be gorgeous at 30, charming at 40, and irresistible for the rest of your life. The best color in the whole world is the one that looks good on you. Elegance is refusal. Some people think luxury is the opposite of poverty. It is not. It is the opposite of vulgarity. How many cares one loses when one decides not to be something, but to be someone. Adornment, what a science. Beauty, what a weapon. Modesty, what elegance. I wanted to give a woman comfortable clothes that would flow with her body. A woman is closest to being naked when she is well dressed. A woman who cuts her hair is about to change her life. A woman can be overdressed, but never over-elegant. Men always remember a woman who caused them concern and uneasiness. Nature gives you the face you have at 20. It is up to you to merit the face you have at 50. Only those with no memory insist on their originality. Fashion has two purposes, comfort and love. Beauty comes when fashion succeeds. Arrogance is in everything I do. It is in my gestures, the harshness of my voice, in the glow of my gaze, in my sinewy, tormented face. The best things in life are free. The second best things are very, very expensive. I don't know why women want any of the things men have, when one of the things that women have is men. Passion goes, boredom remains. I invented my life by taking for granted that everything I did not like would have an opposite, which I would like. There are people who have money and people who are rich. There is a time for work and a time for love. That leaves no other time.